investors are tied up with interest rates right now. Let me ask you, how does this impact your client base overall?
Right. Well, it was no secret that interest rates were going to be going up 3 years ago heading into 2022, with inflation running rampant and rates at nearly 0%. Plus, the Fed quite literally said, expect multiple rate hikes heading into 2022. Now, as an investor, you want to make sure that you're being proactive with your investment selection, that nothing is being set and forgot about. And when interest rates go up, bond prices go down. Yet still to this day, we see many investors, a lot of which who are working with an advisor, who have had bond funds in their portfolio over the last 3 years. The majority of these funds' rates of return over that 3-year period is negative, which means nothing was done to get them out of this toxic asset class. And this is exactly the kind of static wealth management that's not going to work in retirement, nor can you afford it. You want to make sure that somebody is actively managing that portfolio, whether it's you or an advisor, and that they're moving you into the most relevant sectors of the market for your situation.
Joseph, thank you so much. Eric, we've talked about interest rates, inflation, political risk, volatility. What can you do overall with the financial plan, the income plan, and the portfolio to calm your clients? There's so much unrest right now, like we talked about in the first segment, a lot of noise out there, a lot of media. What can you do to provide calmness and clarity?
You know, I think what it is, Cynthia, is that whatever the hot topic is, clients are jumping on it, or retirees are jumping on it. And they're like, look, inflation is going to ruin us. And I'm like, well, what about volatility? What about interest rate risk? What about healthcare costs? If there's so many moving parts when it comes to financial planning, why aren't we trying to find a concerted effort and consolidate all of our problems into one thing? And that is through a financial plan. You know, a financial plan and an income plan is going to guide you through difficult waters. And what people are really looking for is retirees want to restore the system that made them wealthy. They want to embrace financial planning, income planning, tax planning, a sophisticated portfolio. They want panoramic planning. They want to be open to new ideas of products, tools, and investments. They want a fiduciary responsibility. They want to know that their advisor's actually listening to them. They hear them. And we can say, look, we know that there's market volatility. We understand that there's rising interest rates. This is what we've done to combat that. That's great for our client base. The problem is there's too many people out there that don't have this. And what I always say is there's a lot of different tools that people need. We need to get back to sound financial planning, where we're actually sitting down with a client. Forget the Zooms. I've never been a Zoom fan.
I know.
And everybody says that in my office. Oh, Eric, you got a Zoom. I'm like, ugh.
I know.
In person, face to face. If you're serious about your finances, we are serious about working with you. But I want to shake your hand. I want to look you in the face. I want to understand your goals and objectives. What are your concerns? There are financial hurdles after financial hurdles out there. How are we going to get through those? How are we going to get through difficult times together? And that's through building a financial infrastructure. That is truly what people are looking for anymore.
Yes, they are. And with Zoom, I never know where to look. It drives me nuts.